Hey yo! Good morning, good morning, good morning. Morning, Albu, Martin, Khalid, Mason. Glad you could join us this morning and not be slaving away at work. Mr. Fox, Kevin, Cade, Colin, Michael, Dave, welcome. How we feeling? Morning, Chuck. Yeah, what a sell-off yesterday, huh? I didn't take any more trades after the stream. I kind of just sat back and watched the action. I was not interested in shorting the hole yesterday. Yeah, Albu, I'm not sure about it either. I'm not sure about what we're going to see. I want to say we see some sort of relief bounce is what I'm leaning towards. That was a massive sell-off yesterday. But we really have room anywhere into this 140 to 200 area, I would think. Yeah, I'd be looking for rejections up in this area. That would be ideal for another short entry. It's going to be hard to short the hole down here. If we do get a break below these lows and are holding below down into, let's see here. Probably like 500, 540 is what I'm thinking. Yeah, I would tend to agree. That would be a good... Oh, there goes Quant Tower again. Lovely. Been having some issues recently, guys. At least it was a quick reload. So yeah, that's what I'm seeing today. ES wise, I guess I could pull my charts over and show you. This is an hourly on the ES. Actually, let's just load it up here. So I would be looking for pops into this 55, 60 area for the shorts back down is what ideally I'd like to see. You know what? I might just leave my ES charts on this tab since you guys want to see them so frequently. So if Nimkins is late, you're missing the ES charts, brother. By the way. Getting one good look at him. So yeah, guys, that's my read for the day. I don't know what we're gonna see. Yeah, Kevin, I don't know what to expect out of today. After the huge drop yesterday, it might just be a day where the market breathes a little, you know, and trades in a range before we see the move. I would think below here, we're probably leaning downside. My next level to the downside is 660, so that would be my first target on any shorts. And below that, 540. Yeah, Nimkins has been rolling in late, Chase. Rolling in late. Looks like there's 16 of you in here right now. Guys, I do still have the flooring company coming in and out, so if I have to leave, I'm not sure how long I'll be on the stream today or not. I don't know if they're coming today or not. I would think they are. However, we all know how construction crews operate. I'm doing good, Chase. How about yourself? Got about 10 seconds here till the market opens. The next 2 days on the live streams will be a little bit different. I think it'll be fun over the next couple days. So you're going to want to tune in. Providing we can get all the back end stuff worked out before then. Yeah, wouldn't we all, Chase? We'd all love to have a great trading day. We're all going to have a great trading day. Let's put it that way. Let's just have a positive mindset. Let me be patient here on the open. We'll see what happens. Yeah, we are going to do it. Anybody who's trading a combine or an eval is going to pass their combine or eval today. Or if they're starting an XFA, they're going to make a bag. Albu's going to have a 10K day. Market's kind of in no man's land right now, so I'm not interested in operating here. Yep, Cade, that's right. We'll manifest it. We'll manifest it into existence. Mason, exclamation point manifest. Yeah, Nimkins, you've already been noticed. Your absence was noted. You will be wearing the dunce cap in the corner this entire session today. What's with the tardiness recently? You have been tardy every day this week. Morning, Invictus. Oh, no, Phoenix. You don't have any electricity? How are you trading? On your phone? Yeah, Cade, you tell him. Everyone get on Nimkins in the chat. You tell him. Yeah, Nima, I mean, I'm expecting a relief bounce today. Back above 19K at some point. Yeah, that's strange. Just your lights aren't working. Everything else is. So like your internet's all good. I don't know. When we lose power, everything goes out. Morning, Sanders. Welcome. Kind of seeing some upside here on the open. Anybody catch that long down there off value area low? Like 860-ish? Yeah, guys, if you could, hit that thumbs up button for me. We're still slowly growing. We're almost at 150 subscribers now. Well, we're kind of getting the move up, but that's hard to hop on board with the long right now. At least for me it is. I think I'd want to see a clean break above 940 and be holding above 940 on a retest for any long position. It might just be grabbing liquidity for another move down. Like maybe sweep these lows, recover for the move back up into the range. Or let's see if we get some VWAP buyers. Here in the 90s. Yeah, Kev, I tend to agree with you. I like some relief. I mean, those straight down moves are just not it. Straight down or straight up leads to usually an equal move in the opposite direction. Oh, no VWAP buyers yet. Anybody in a position yet? Okay, I don't hate the move up. It's just hard. It's hard to take right now. We're only 8 minutes into the session, so like I want to see a reclaim of a key level before I get long and a retest. Like I said, I want to see this thing to jet above 940, come back and retest it and hold above, or even 920. Yeah, Chase, on the opens, I don't I mean, obviously hindsight's 2020, you know, yeah, a 920 rejection there. The rejection makes sense. I just don't like to operate that close to the open. I mean, this could very easily have just launched right through there. Especially with me having sort of that relief bounce morning session in mind. I didn't want to take the short up there. But to each their own. I mean, some people sling it. Some people just see the level and hit it. What I don't want to see is a bunch of VWAP chop here. Are your messages not really visible? What do you mean? Phoenix. I see all your messages. Was I supposed to respond to something? I don't understand. I don't understand. What did I ignore? I didn't mean to ignore you. Oh, you meant to say, oh, good morning, Phoenix. Okay, now I see it. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Good morning, Phoenix. Chase, this is the reason why I don't like popping the short. Nice trade, Kev, by the way. Quick, 50 points. Hey, Nimkins, you're supposed to be in the corner. Pipe down. Not Phoenix, you're not in the corner. Alright, let's see if we can get this pullback. And this thing just doesn't run away from us here. I'd like this 920 hold. Yeah, that's Chase. That's where Kevin's strat works out well, but he takes a lot of heat sometimes as well. He doesn't miss an entry usually because he just places limit orders at his moving averages more or less. I really want this pullback into 920. Oh no. Might have been the 940 long. Yikes. Think I missed it. Yeah, I can't enter here, guys. I can't. There's too much drawdown that I'd have to take to get long here. Yeah, Nim, it's whipping around. It is whipping around. All right, let's see. Let's see if I can get it. Something like this. I will just risk. We'll give it a 10-point stop. Actually, like a 13-point stop. Just like right there. It's gone. I have to pull this. Mason, I see you're having fun with your little bot commands. I'm gonna have to get used to it. Well, the market's doing what I thought it would do. Shame I couldn't execute on it. Yeah, I'm not going to hit the long here around 19K. Yeah, be careful, guys. Price is moving around. Yeah, Chase, that's what I'm looking for, actually. I'm looking for a pullback into either 40 or 20 at this point for the long. Just got to be patient. I think we'll get it eventually. Don't really want to be in a position when news drops myself. You know, unless I'm like Kev and up 100 points on a position. Well, Nim, is it tradable? I mean, Kevin's trading it. I mean, he's got 100 points almost right now. He's got 90 points. I mean, is it tradable? Yeah, I mean, it's tradable. You can hit the buy or sell button. Sure. Go right ahead. Oh, Donna Albu's got a level at 977. Yeah, I haven't looked at Albu's levels this morning yet. Should be a part of my pre-market routine, but let's see what he's got. Yeah, Michael, why go to the casino if you got in queue? I agree. I agree. I mean, sure. Flip a coin. It looks like Donna Albu's sell areas today are all above 19K. And his buy area was, what, 859? Well, that one worked out well, huh? Just right on the open. Oh no, that's not a buy area. Okay, I've read that wrong. So his buy areas are much lower. 730, 524, and 318. I'm thinking we run 19K here. Probably with some strength. I want a deeper pullback. I don't just want to see this thing grind up. What do we got? 5 minutes till news at this point? 4 minutes till news? I'll probably just wait. Come on, Quant Tower. Don't do this. Later, Martin. Enjoy the rest of your day. Oh no, guys, I'm getting error messages on my YouTube studio again. Yeah, Michael, sometimes I fall in that same category. I'm Albu, anybody who trades levels and support and resistance can speak to that. Sometimes you just gotta hit it. You know, if you take a loss, you take a loss. Great. Guys, if these issues persist, I will probably just end the stream. This is obnoxious. Actually obnoxious. Holy dump. Well, glad I didn't leave my limit order there at 920, huh? Yikes. Oh, Kevin. Kevin. Oh, that was quick. Hang on, guys. I gotta go grab the door real quick. All right, we're back. You guys might hear some voices. Flooring companies walking through the house right now. Yeah, that was a violent little move down on news, huh? We're freezing up again. Guys, if OBS is freezing on me, like if the stream is freezing, let me know. I think I might try the long here, guys, at 920. Let's try it. All right, stopped out. Yeah, Mason, I don't know what's going on. Everything, like, it's OBS Studio keeps giving me warnings again. This happened yesterday as well. The question is, do I try the 920 again? Just feels so heavy. It's holding up pretty well, though. Yeah, it's scary, Nemo, with the minis. I mean, what did I make on that last one? I made $145 on that last trade. All right, let's try it. Let's see if we can get the kick up here. Not gonna let this thing wreck me. There we go. All right. So that was like an $800 trade. All right, guys, I'm up 1,000 on the session right now. $1,035. Yeah, that was nice. That felt good. I should have held. Should have held. But that's scary. That's definitely scary. Thanks, Michael. And you know what that is, guys? That's 2 straight winning days on stream. We're trending in the right direction. Yeah, I'm thinking we run 19K at this point. It's holding up pretty well. Thanks, Albu. My biggest fear right now is that my internet goes down while I'm in a trade. With all the glitches that are happening, it's kind of wild. But, I mean, I don't know about you guys. I'll take $1,000 in 40 minutes of action. No problem. I'll take that all day, every day. I think we break the tops here. Run 19K. We'll see what happens up here in this 19,010 to 19,030 area, but yeah, my next level above that is 19,080 to 19,1. But inevitably, what I want to see is that 19,180 to 2 get traded. Nice, Mason. Nice trade. Probably feels good for you to be able to trade again, huh? I mean, this is what we expected, guys. We expected a little relief bounce. What we called out pre-market is happening. So just goes to show, trade the plan. Develop a plan before the market opens and trade it, regardless, whether success or failure. I mean, seeing these wicks is not, these kind of wicks is not ideal, obviously, but the levels play generally. As long as you're executing around the levels, your risk is minimized. It's defined. I firmly believe that if you only execute at the levels, it is the way to trade. Albu can speak to this as well. It's why he went to a box type strategy, kind of what I do, so that his risk is defined and he knows where he's supposed to be executing, and he's seeing great success after he's done it. Great success. Thanks, Jace. It's my biggest day on stream in a while. And now I have a nice cushion for the rest of the day, so I'm really in no hurry to get into another trade. Let this thing settle down a little bit before I execute again. In fact, I probably won't take another trade on stream, but I'll hang out here for a little bit. I got to give Mason some good content to start making some shorts. Now that he's just back in school and not having to work all day every day. Speaking of which, Mason, when I do end the stream, I'll give you a call. It's still so strange seeing the Nightbot in the chat. I'm not gonna lie. It is so strange. Hey, Nimkins, I wore our team's apparel today, by the way. Go Lions. Yeah, Mason, there's nothing, honestly, well, you're done. You're on a combine, right? You were trading a combine today? Yeah, if you got 80 points, you're done for the day on a 50K. I mean, there's no reason to get involved in here, guys. Absolutely none. At this point, you'd want to see a clean break above 19K and be holding this level for the move up. Or you'd want to see, I would say even shorts are risky here, even though it feels heavy. In order for me to be short at this point, because we're holding up, I would need to see a clean break below these overnight lows and a hold below this level down here at 820 to 840. Lions are working hard in the kitchens of Detroit. Oh, no. They are, the players are multi-millionaires. I don't think they're slaving away in any kitchens. In fact, they probably have personal chefs, the majority of them. So what are we thinking today, guys? We thinking more upside? I'm thinking more upside. Only problem is it's so volatile. You know, you're getting 50, 60 point swings in both directions in seconds. The Lions are millionaires in the friendships they made along the way. 18,000. Oh, here we go again. Nimkins. You're thinking another 3% down day? I mean, your friend that has 650K invested in Nvidia is hating you right now more than likely. I mean, Nimkins, this doesn't feel like just baiting the shorts with these violent swings down and holding. It doesn't feel like that to you at all right now? I wouldn't even be surprised if we do get the wick down here and the recovery back up. I mean, Nim, you can't anticipate a 600-point move. Let's face it. We were around 640 yesterday when we opened up. A 600-point move down? I mean, come on. Lions fearless in the kitchen, fearless in the markets. Oh man, I don't know. I have fear. I definitely have fear. These days, these markets have been wild. The wildest in my entire trading journey. As wild as I've seen it. Like, I started trading after the COVID drop, pretty much. I wasn't actively trading during that time period. So I don't know how volatile it was. All I know is we were trading around 9K at the start of it on the NASDAQ, and it dropped into the 6Ks. So 3,000 points. So I don't know. Was that the last time the breaker got ticked on the NASDAQ? Was during COVID? But I mean, when I started trading, you know, a 200 to 300 point day was a big move. Like, that was a big move. I'm sure Kevin, with how long he's been trading, you know, a big move in a day on the NASDAQ was probably like 70, 80 points. You know, that was a big move. But now you're seeing that kind of move in seconds. Much more difficult environment to trade. And we're just consolidating at this level here, 920 to 940. I think we go back up. Yeah, Ali, I caught 2 trades. One was like $150 winner, and the other was close to 900. I'm up $1,035 on the day. So yeah, I've taken a couple trades. I did catch a trade off stream this morning when I woke up. I was long from 18,845 and made a little over $700 on that trade, but that was on a different account. So on the day, all in all, I'm up $1,800. Yeah, Ollie, I mean, it's my best performance on a live stream in a while, for sure. And back-to-back winning days, like I said. So I'm in no rush to get into another position. Hey Nima, you still liking your short? You thinking we're seeing more downside? I mean, we're at the level on the ES pretty much. Let's see what we're looking at on the ES here. Yeah, like if this holds its support, we're coming right back up into here. 55.60, 55.62. Now, if we do get there, I think we could see major downside. I mean, it acted as support over here. Acted as support here. Really did nothing yesterday. So this retest makes sense on the ES. Let's see what the Dow is doing. The Dow is going up as well. Looks like everything's up right now. Where's the VIX at right now? VIX is up. Jeez, it's above 20 again. Yikes. Yikes. Looks like all the indices are pretty much flat. The Russell is a little bit up. DJ, you're long from 50. Oh, nice. 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 Definitely break even stop. You don't want that slide, but I do think we go higher. Like Kev said, this 19,080 seems like a decent enough target, but it's just gonna whip around so much. So I don't know how long it takes to get there. It feels like buyers are just absorbing the selling right now. Yeah, DJ Rip. Yeah, that came back quick. I mean, Nimkins, you got to take into account that shorts are going to be taking profits as well. Like, they're going to take their profits, they're going to wait for a pullback or upside, and they're going to hit it again higher. But it feels like we run these wicks at some point. I don't think this is high a day. Short the hole. Yeah, no thanks, Albu. I'm not shorting any hole. That is... Like yesterday, that was just... the only short that I saw after going back and looking at it after the big move was the 19,200 short. You know, here, I'll pull up a 15-minute. But this was the only spot that made sense to hop on the move. But at that point, you're down over 400 points. And it's so hard to go ahead and short that. I mean, yeah, hindsight, it's fairly easy to see that, yes, this would be the prime short opportunity. But that's very difficult. Like this little retest here, up here at 340 was, I mean, I like to see multiple tests. Yeah, those straight up and straight down moves they're hard days for me. They're very, very hard days. Very hard days. Because it's like, I mean, what do you do when you're 400 or 500 points down or up? You know, do you hop on board? You just kind of blindly hit the buy or sell button? Looks like we're getting that run. DJ, did you hop back on? Oh no. Yeah, it's hard. It's hard, DJ. Like, you had a good position. You had a good position because you were only risking to down here just below 940. But all you can do in these conditions is put your stop loss there and just let the trade run. But it's scary because you don't want to watch a trade go $1,000 in your favor and come all the way back on you. But that's what's happening within a minute's time. So it's very difficult. Very, very difficult trading. Like, I'm sure we get this move up here into this 19,080 to 19,1. And honestly, if we get up there, I'm thinking this is more likely. Especially if we get above 100 and hold above 100. But yeah, it's hard. Oh, DJ, that's a good rule to follow. Yeah, you don't want to be in and out of trades constantly. That's a losing battle. You know, I try to limit myself to 3 to 5 trades. Those are my best days. When I'm only executing, you know, 3 to 5 times a day, those seem to be, that's my sweet spot. Usually whenever I'm executing any more than that, it's a red day for me. More times than not. But that's just because I'm not a good scalper as well. Like, there's guys in the chat like Dave. He can take 20 trades in a day. I can't do that. I just can't do that. He's good at catching those 20-point moves. I'm not. I normally don't even get into a trade unless I see at least a 50-point move. Not that I always get the 50-point move. However, I like to at least see that much potential in the trade itself. Morning, Ronnie. Welcome. How you trade? Actually, Ronnie, how are the algos going? I know you've been working on some things. Let's see what the ES is doing right now. Oh, yeah. This move makes sense. Back up into 55.60, 55.62. I mean, on the ES, I'd kind of want to see a pullback into this 55.40 for the long up in there, but it might just be a straight shot considering this. Nice, Colin. No, Ronnie, yesterday. Well, how were the bonds moving yesterday? Yesterday was an anomaly day. It was an outlier. So I don't know that I mean, if the bonds were moving kind of like the indices were yesterday, I wouldn't put too much weight on it. Success or failure. You know, any kind of systematic strategy is going to have losing days. It's more that you're testing it out over the larger sample size. Yeah. Yeah, see. One directional days are horrible for strats. Or systems. So I wouldn't put too much weight on it. I would give the strats, you know, at least a month 2 months, 3 months testing. Get a large enough sample size so you can see where it sits. Yeah, don't base success or failure off of a one day move. You know, as long as you've got limits in place for the system, you know, you have a shutdown, like you lose this much, you shut it down for the day kind of deal. I think it can be successful. Yeah, definitely keep me up to date. Well, guys, how we doing today? We green? We red? We currently in a position? I think the flooring company's hollering at me. Well, guys, I'm probably going to end the stream there. I'm going to secure the winning day. I am up $1,035 on the stream today. A little over... but I like securing these winning days. I've not had the best of luck on the live streams, and it looks like Quant Tower is freezing up on me, and OBS is disconnecting as we speak. So, yeah. All right, OBS reconnected. So, yeah. We're definitely going to end the stream there. Mason, I will give you a call here shortly. Anyway, guys, be safe. Trade safe. I'm thinking we see a little more upside on the day. Targets to the upside are 19,080 and 19,180 to 200. At that point, I'd be looking for rejection short back down into 19K. So yeah, enjoy the rest of your day. I will be hanging out in Discord in a little bit, and I will see you all tomorrow at 9:20 a.m. Eastern. Peace.